In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to guide you through safe, calm, and secure ways to actually regulate your nervous system and to relax your body for free. For the first few minutes, let your body do the most amount of work, and the fastest way to signal safety to your body is through breathing. So start taking slow, intentional breath. Slow breath actually signal to your body that it is safe, and when you take a slow breath in and you take a slower exhale out, that nervous system reaction that your body is having starts to calm down, and it tells your body that you're not in danger. And if you can, also always place your feet, both of your feet, on the ground. If you can go outside in nature, then make sure you place your feet on the ground. Keep your hand on your chest and keep breathing. Breathe in, take a slow breath in, and exhale slowly, and start stretching your body like you would stretch your body when you wake up. And with that, tilt your back a little backwards, so your feet on the ground, your body tilted backwards, and you stretching. When you take these 3 actions, your body actually relaxes instantly and it starts to calm down. None of this requires belief. None of this requires you to be positive. Just stay with me and just keep stretching and just keep relaxing. Now, the next thing that your nervous system will actually listen to will be your environment. Your senses will now come in handy. So wherever you are, quietly start naming what you can see. Maybe I see a table, maybe I see a chair, maybe I see birds. What you can smell, maybe I can smell the nice sunny mud, maybe I can smell the rain, maybe I can smell a nice perfume. And what you can hear, maybe I can hear the birds chirping, maybe I can hear the fridge opening, anything. When you do this, your nervous system actually snaps out of any anxiety that you have right now, any problem that you have, and your nervous system starts being in the present moment. And you anchoring yourself back to the present moment also instantly relaxes your senses. And if you have something warm to sip on, you can also sip on that. Now when you're doing this, you're completely shifting yourself back to the present moment, and you're telling yourself that I'm here, I'm now, and I'm safe. That's what I'm going to tell you. You're here, you're now, and you're safe. And once your senses start to feel regulated, there's something even more relaxing than doing, and that is allowing. For the next few minutes, let yourself feel anything that you're feeling without trying to fix it, without trying to make sense of it, without trying to blame yourself for it. Any emotion, any anger, anything that's coming in your mind that's been bothering you, let those things come to your brain. Let those things come to your awareness. And without trying to nitpick on how this thing is going to go or overthink scenarios, just let yourself feel it. Allow yourself to be present without fixing anything. And when all these emotions are coming up, gently hug yourself, literally like this, and tell yourself it's okay. It's all okay. And keep giving yourself some physical touch. Now this is teaching your nervous system to relax, not through saying, but through actual experience, and your body is calming down even more. It knows that things are not good, something is bothering you, something is making you anxious, but with me, put your hands on your arms and just relax and say it's okay, it's all good, and give yourself a tight little hug. Now once you've done that, your body will feel a lot more calmer. Now here's the thing most people don't understand. When you're talking about regulating your nervous system, it is not asking for more tools. It is not asking for the best method. It is asking for reduction. Less is more. So after this, after you've done your hugging and you feel much better, reduce stimulation as much as possible. Shut down any notifications that give you anxiety. Make sure your alarm clock is not a annoyingly big, loud, not sweet alarm clock. Make sure your volume is much lower when you're watching a television, and make sure you're not stimulating yourself constantly. Now this again will decrease that sense of dopamine, that sense of, oh my god, I need this, I need that, and your brain will instantly relax. And with that, also have some rhythmic things to do with your body. Speak slower, talk more calmly, talk more in a present way, and walk slower. Make your pace slow. Try to practice presence as much as possible. Trying to do everything in a rush is what is literally irritating our nervous system every single day. So just slowing everything down, even something as little as taking a slow, long shower, will really truly calm and relax your nervous system. Because rhythm and being calm tell the nervous system that predictability is here. I don't have to rush anymore. I don't have to stress anymore. I am calm, I am good, things are good. And when your nervous system is finally introduced to this beautiful piece of slowness, you are ready for the last piece of the puzzle, and that is to get some reassurance from yourself. And that is to keep your hand on your chest and say to yourself, I am safe right now. I am good right now. I am chosen right now. Every single thing in my life is beautiful right now. Every single thing is exactly how it is meant to be right now. Now, you don't have to believe every single thing. You don't have to agree with me. But you can just relax with me and you can tell yourself this even though you don't believe it fully. Because your body needs to hear it. So as I repeat these affirmations, just look at the sky, look at the cupboard, look at your room, and just stay still. No trying to fix anything right now. No trying to be productive right now. Just be still. And say to yourself with me, I am safe right now. I'm chosen right now. I'm loved right now. I'm chosen, I'm safe, I'm loved. Every single thing is working out for me. Every single thing will always work out for me. And every single thing will be fine. I am safe, I'm chosen, I'm loved. I'm safe, I'm chosen, and I'm loved. And try relaxing and try resting for however long as you want. Now, there's one thing that I want you to take away from this video is that being calm or regulating your nervous system does not mean being positive or forcing yourself to be okay. It only means to tell your body and to signal to your body that no matter what is happening, you are still safe, you are still heard, you are still chosen, and everything will be fine. And if you can keep yourself in that truth and stay present in the present moment, aligned by doing the thing that we did right now, you will be fine, and I can promise you that. So save this video for later, watch this video again, come back to this video as many times as you want, anytime you feel nervous, and I trust and I hope this video will help you to calm down and relax whenever you need. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.